Any advice? It's my first time making a bait. I will get a video of the action soon.
To a small piece. I'm gonna carve this into hopefully spook, and then I'll sand it down. I just marked it. This is where I'm gonna carve. See that? That. The bait sanded down. Made the eyes. Alright, just finish attaching the eyelets for the hooks. Put on the split rings. Put a super glue in it and drill it inside. Just gonna wait for this to finish drying. First, this will add 3 layers of paint, just white. Put on the hooks.